I thought you are my friend. I will never trust you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My honorable judges, my name is Maryam Ahmad from SDIT Auladi SAKO PAlembang. Today, I want to tell you a story about the crocodile and the monkey. Have you heard the story before? Okay, so this is the story. Once upon a time, there lived a monkey in a tree by a river. The tree gave him plenty of sweet mango fruits. The tree also gave him shade from the sun and shelter from the rain. One day, a crocodile was swimming up a river. He climbed up to the front of the river to rest. "Hello!" called the monkey from the tree. "Hello!" replied the crocodile, surprised. "Do you know where I can find some food? I am very hungry," said the crocodile. The monkey chewed some mango fruits to the crocodile. The crocodile finished all the fruits. He loved the sweet mango fruits. "You can come back whenever you want more fruit," said the monkey. Soon, the crocodile was visiting the monkey every day. They became good friends. One day, the monkey said, "Please take these fruits to your wife." The crocodile's wife loved the mango fruits. She hadn't had anything so sweet before. "My husband, imagine how sweet the monkey's heart will be as he eats these sweet mango fruits every day," said the crocodile's wife. "No, he's my best friend. Don't eat his heart," said the crocodile. "Oh, so you love him more than me? If you love me, you got your friend the monkey and let me eat his heart," said the crocodile's wife. The poor crocodile did not know what to do. He did not want to kill his friend, but also loved his wife. At last, he decided what to do. "Boyfriend monkey, my wife is inviting you to my house," said the crocodile. "I am happy to go to your house, but I cannot swim," said the monkey. "Don't worry, I will carry you on my back," said the crocodile. The monkey agreed and jumped on to the crocodile's back. So the two friends swam in the deep, wide river. When they fell from the mango tree, the crocodile said, "I am sorry, my friend monkey, but my wife wants to eat your heart. I'm afraid I have to kill you, although I will miss you," said the crocodile. The monkey thought quickly and said, "My friend crocodile, I'm happy to help your wife, but can you go back to the mango tree? Because I left my heart there," said the monkey. The crocodile agreed and swam back to the mango tree. When they already close to the mango tree, the monkey quickly jumped off from the crocodile's back and quickly climbed to the mango tree and said, "I thought you were my friend. Do you know you did a husband in us? I'll now just do again. Now go away and don't come back." The crocodile felt very sad and regretted, but it's too late. He lost a friend and a supply of sweet mango fruits. So, from that day on, the monkey never trusts crocodiles again. The end. So the moral of the story is, people who wants to cheat others will also be cheated and lose everything. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.